Let's discuss example for intersecting lines. Here given two equations, x minus 2y equal to 0. This is our linear equation, two variables 1, and next equation 3x plus 4y equal to 20. This is our linear equation 2. Okay, we have to plot the graph. We want some points. Okay, so we will take x and y values. If x equal to 0, what is the value of y? X equal to 0, 0 minus 2y equal to 0, minus 2y equal to 0. Here y equal to 0 by minus 2, 0 by anything which is equal to 0. So this point is 0 comma 0. Next, if x equal to 1, 1 minus 2y equal to 0, minus 2y equal to plus 1 comes to this side, minus 1, minus get cancel, y equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. If x equal to, I take 2, 2 minus 2y equal to 0, minus 2y equal to plus 2 comes to this side, minus 2, minus get cancel, y equal to 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Next, if I take x equal to 3, 3 minus 2y equal to 0, minus 2y equal to plus 3 comes to this side, minus 3, minus get cancel, y equal to 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. So write x and y values in the table. First point x0, y0, 0 comma 0. Next point x1, y 0.5. Next point x2, y we get 1, 2 comma 1. Next point x3, y value 1.5. Okay, these 4 points are enough for the plot the graph. Next, see this equation 3x plus 4y equal to 0. If I take x equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 4y equal to 20, 0 into anything 0, 4y equal to 20, y equal to into 4 comes to this side by 4 which is equal to 5. If y equal to 0, 3x plus 4 into 0 equal to 20, 4 into 0, 0, 3x equal to 20, x equal to 20 by 3, we get some fractional value. So it is difficult to plot, so skip this point. Next, if y equal to 2, 3x plus 4 into 2 equal to 20, 3x equal to 4 to 8, 20 minus 8 which is equal to 12, 3x equal to 12, x equal to into 3 comes to this side by 3 which is equal to 4. Okay, so these 2 points are enough for the plot the graph x and y. Write x and y values in table 2. X first 0, y 5, 0 and 5. If y equal to 2, we get x 4. So let's plot the graph. Draw x axis and y axis. Here scale on x axis is 1 unit equal to 1. On y axis scale is 1 unit equal to 1. Okay, so first point 0 comma 0, this is a 0 comma 0. Next point 1 comma 0.5, 1 and 0.5, these are 1 comma 0.5. Next point 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1. Next point 3 comma 1.5, 3 comma, this is a 1.5, 3 comma 1.5. Okay, so connect these points. We got straight line passing through origin. This line represent equation 1, nothing but x minus 2y equal to 0. Next, x value 0 and y 5. This point is 0 comma 5. Okay, next 4 comma 2. On x axis 4, y axis 2. So this point is something here, 4 comma 2. Okay, so connect these 2 points. You should use scale. See this line. This line represent equation 2 is nothing but 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Okay, see this graph. These two lines are intersecting at single point at 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. Okay, these two lines are intersecting at single point. We got unique solution. Unique solution. Okay, this is the example for intersecting lines. Okay.